Look at my beautiful homemade bread. And it's all ready for consumption. And you could look under the pan to double check, but it is definitely ready and moist and just absolutely fabulous. It's super hot, but it's worth touching. Oh. Thank my parents for teaching me how to cook. Oh, and I had another one. But if you look at this as a complete Subway sandwich, and I made some chicken, I got some chicken and chopped it all up, added homemade mayonnaise. I made my own homemade mayonnaise, and you can get that recipe anywhere. I made my homemade mayonnaise, a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic, spices, and I chopped it all up and added the mayonnaise, and I made a mayonnaise sandwich just now. But I ate 2 of them, and then with the little muffin, I took one of them, cut it wide open, and made a sandwich. And oh, just look at that. They're very soft and fluffy, and they almost feel like popovers. I don't know if you ever made popovers before, but this is absolutely delicious. So what I'm going to do now, oops, it fell out of my cabinet. I take my giant bags out. And I get these bags. They're plastic freezer bags. They're really good. They're reclosable. And I take them and I add these in a bag, each one. And these I'll leave out, and I'll leave one of these out. I'll most likely leave this one out and put these in the freezer. And that way when I want some bread, I want to make some sandwich, these are just delicious. If you're going to make like French toast, you slice them all up. You cut a couple of them and some egg and a little bit of milk, or whatever seasoning or spices you want, and grill them on a griddle on a waffle griddle. You make that, and you can have some delicious French toast. So while these are cooling down, I'm going to move this over because it is super hot. I'm going to open my oven, take a look at my pie. I can hear it. It's not quite ready. I'll show you right now, as you can see. Still has a lot of baking. Pies take longer because it's a pie. But I've got, oops, I forgot to put a timer on it. That helped a lot. I'll go 25 because it's been in there quite some time. But I have it at 425, so oh, I can't wait. So everybody have a so fabulous evening.